How to delete messages on Janitor AI. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily delete your chats on Janitor AI. So if you are using your PC, you can simply head over to any of your browser and just search in for janitor.ai.com, which will take you to its official page and where you will have to log into your account and make sure you have your chats ready. So once you select any of your chats, simply click on continue and you will be redirected to that particular chat. So as you can see here, so to delete a particular message, a singular message, what you can do is simply click on this dustbin icon over here, as you can see. So simply click on this and just hit the delete button, and just like that your singular message will be deleted. So if you want to delete the whole chat with that particular AI, what you can do is simply click on this my chats button over here, and once you click here, just click on this down arrow section, from where you can see the trash icon over here. Just click the delete button and simply click on S, and just like that you have successfully deleted the whole chat as well. So that is exactly how you can easily delete the messages on Janitor AI. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.